Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today what I'm going to do is make sure you guys are set up for the map testing that will be starting next week, and possibly, depending on when class schedules are, will be till the end of February. Well, first thing you need to do on your computer is make sure that the test taker program, this one right here, is somewhere on your desktop. I know with a handful of students we actually put the test taker program into the applications folder, so if you don't see it on your desktop, check there. If you do not have that test taker program still on your desktop or in your applications folder, let your teacher know. They will let Mrs. Bickford and myself know, and we will get it to you. In order to set it up, we need to go into our system preferences. When we go into system preferences, we're going to be going into the user and groups. It's the two silhouetted people right over here. My screen looks a little bit different just because it's a different operating system, but the pictures and everything are the same. So if we click on the users and groups in our system preferences, we come to this screen. Now you can see that they actually, we have all our users over here, and right above your picture in the middle, you have this other button that says login items. We need to come over to these login items. These login items actually show what is starting up each time you log into your computer. You probably have one in there from last time called SES. That one needs to be deleted. We don't have that server in our building anymore, and we can just delete it. So if I highlight one of these, I'll show you how to delete it. All we have to do is highlight it, and we click the delete button down here, a little minus. When I need to add a new server, I'm going to click on this plus button, and this is what everybody needs to do. If I click on that plus button, it's going to take me to my Finder, and on the left-hand side over here, we should see this list of shared computers. At the very bottom of this, we will see one that says All. If I click on that, that's going to give me all the different computers in the building. The one that we need is actually in this top one here. It's the BRSU NTE1. That's our server where all the test-taking data is, and we need to have there. So, if I double-click on this, it's going to try and connect, and it's going to say connection failed. That's okay. What we are going to try and do is we are going to click on this Connect As button, and it's going to try and connect. It's going to give me this login over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in NWEA as the username, all in uppercase letters, and NWEA all in lowercase letters as the password. To say again, NWEA is all uppercase for the username, and lowercase NWEA is for the password. Make sure you click remember this password in my keychain. That means that it will always remember and always try and log you in. I hit connect, and what that is going to do is that's going to allow me to come into that server. If I click on the NTE data, it has a lot of stuff in there. One of them is in the folder MEMS. I need to click on this MEMS folder and click the Add button. What that does is that puts this folder into my login items every single time I do it. And that's how we need to set up our computers so that we are able to take the map test. Thank you, and let us know if you guys have any trouble with it or need help and can't do this.